Good morning, Bali. So today we are in Ubud, morning breakfast in Ubud. Normally we go to Ubud at afternoon time, but today special. We will show you how is Ubud in the morning, and we are in the one breakfast place. It's called Suka Espresso. As you see behind me, already full house. Wow. And if you asking about the menu, how is the menu? No nasi goreng, no nasi campur, or no nasi jinggo. All of the menu are basically like Western style menu. I think that most of people also coming to Bali, if you are tired of nasi goreng for your breakfast, you can come here.
And also this lovely breakfast cost us this morning again 289,000. Seems like a pretty standard nowadays. So that was our breakfast. It's still early morning, about the 9 o'clock. So we're gonna have our morning stroll around Ubud streets. This is nice place for the pizza as well. Nowadays I'm too much talking about the pizza in general. But I'm gonna tell you at morning it's already quite busy in Ubud. Ubud and Canggu, they are the most busiest parts of Bali currently.
So when pandemic time, you know guys, there are so many business gone bankruptcy, but when the tourism already open like this, behind me, you know, one of the example, the business in Bali slowly opening and brand new restaurant coming up. Before we were in the nice Western restaurant with the Western menu, and next door is a Warung Kedaton. This is a world famous Balinese cuisine. We see that they are busy, but mostly locals or domestic tourists are coming there to buying for, you know, food or breakfast. I didn't see any Western people are there or international tourists there to have a breakfast. Most of them, I think the tourists, tendency of them, you know, coming to Bali, maybe try 1 or 2 times the Indonesian food, and after that, maybe they will just back to the Western food. I don't know, maybe the factor of the Bali belly or something like that. I don't know, what do you think, honey?
So for me personally, even I live here for like 7 years already or something, until now I don't really into local food. I just feel not really comfortable, you know, my tummy is always heavy and I just simply don't really into rice. So that's maybe that's the one of the reason, I don't know.
Maybe the MSG, honey.
I like MSG actually personally, that's the flavor, guys. Actually, before I came to Bali, I didn't know what is MSG. Just like, I like MSG, but it's, maybe people don't like MSG, I like it personally, but for me, I feel too heavy on my tummy after eating rice, that's it. Even last time, I nearly was sick, so I don't know. And also Bali berry is also serious stuff, but if you eat in the nice restaurant like this, shouldn't be a problem, but overall, maybe, I don't know. It's raining recently, so we have to take a shelter. But I think also it's maybe because I born and many people born with the Western food in Western countries. Our tummy is just simply a little bit different. Like I cannot accept the sambas and stuff like this, but like for local people it's pretty normal stuff. So I think it's just the differences, you know. It's nothing wrong with it. It's nothing wrong if you are coming to Bali or Asia and you still eat the Western food. In my opinion, it's nothing wrong. However, you should at least try the Indonesian or any other local food. At least once. You should try. I try everything, including durian, because I don't like it.
Honey, we stuck in the rain.
Yeah, I mean, this rain came from nowhere. We just had a breakfast. We just walked a little bit from this corner and suddenly start raining. I don't know. I hope so. It's only like 15 minutes rain, you know. But you have to always keep it in mind. The rain, especially in Ubud, can come anytime from nowhere. Alright guys, so the water is coming from the tree. The rain is finished. The rain took about 25 minutes. So it's like a regular stuff. It's sunny now. And we decided we're gonna move to the city center because, well, after rain, not much is going on here actually right now. Alright, that was the beautiful ride. That's our secret road, only accessible by the motorbikes. And this is actually beautiful rice fields everywhere around, just outside Ubud, like downtown of Ubud. But everywhere around here you can find also so many villas. And now everybody who asking for the rice situation in Bali, yes, it was harvesting before, but now it's already brand new young rice. So if you're coming to Bali in December or January, it should be like beautiful green everywhere around. So like I mentioned before, that's the villas. This is the rice field, but over there I can see some ducks over there. I will zoom it a little bit for you. Here you go. I don't know if you can see over there, but they are ducks. You can find them. And there is the farmer also currently right now. So just like a 5 minutes outside Ubud, you can find very local nice vibe. And then we stuck again because it's raining. So it's raining half hour rain, half hour no rain. But at least we have a shelter here, so it's not that bad. So in Ubud it's raining recently more often than I was expecting. But at least we have a very nice environment everywhere around, as you can see, nature. But there are, like I mentioned already, there are many actually new buildings here. Even the road is only for the motorbikes, but yeah, I hope so it's gonna stop raining soon. So when the weather is not good and we are far from home, obviously, it's time for another coffee. Here we go, guys. Very nice small cafe. And there is happy barista there over there. Hello, how are you? Seems like the rain in Ubud today gonna be all day long actually. But you know, it's like a stronger rain and it's like a light rain like now. So we're gonna stroll around the Jalan Kajang. All the people from the art market, they moved with their stalls here. Actually, this is like a walking street, but the motorbikes and cars are still allowed, but this is like a one-way road only with that end, so not much traffic around. Well, and even it's rain, this is not discourage people to stroll around. Well, nice stuff, regular stuff actually. This is nothing like different or new. Everywhere is pretty the same, but they have like a little stars where they can still make some business here, of course, right? Because the art market is obviously still under the construction. They're gonna finish next year, hopefully. But this is actually the convenience store here. They open currently. You can rent the bags from the local people because his name is Yoga. I believe they are local people from Bali, obviously, right? Because nowadays it can be complicated. Sometimes they are, you know. Why are you laughing, Saya?
No. Okay. So the thing is that the vibe of the local market in Jalan Kajang is very nice, but because of the rain, some of the what is it called? The seller has to cover the stuff with the plastic, just like this. So. Yeah.
So yeah, that's.
I don't know what it is. Like? Is it good or bad for the business?
I don't know. Not sure. Hard to say. Actually, the coffee shop where we were there, when the rain started pouring more, it was full. So for him, definitely good. Not sure about these people here who selling the merchandises, souvenirs actually, souvenirs, not merchandises. But well, at least. They never give up, right?
Thank you so much guys for watching us start from the breakfast, what to do actually in Ubud, having a breakfast in the morning in the cafe, and then going to deep inside the Ubud and sightseeing the rice paddies, and then walking on the like market. So this is how it is. Now's the weather. Somehow it's raining in the morning and then suddenly stop for 15 or 20 minutes and done. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.